Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
One of the most basic features of web design is the ability to display selectable hyperlinks, also simply called links, which allow the user to navigate from one poster page to another poster page. By clicking a link, the user will then view the web page associated with that link in the browser window. Links most often take the form of underlined text, but you can also turn images into links. In order to create a link, you will need to know three things. First, what text or image will be turned into a link. Next, the web address specified by a URL where the user will be taken when they click. And finally, whether you want that link to open in a new window or tab, or within the same window or tab that the link appears. To create a link, first select the text or image within the WordPress editor that you want to turn into a link. Next, click the Insert or Edit Link button that appears in the toolbar. Notice that this button is only active when you have something selected within your post or page. In the Insert or Edit Link dialog box, enter the destination web page URL by either typing it or by copying and pasting it from the actual link shown within the address bar of a web browser. Note that the URL must match exactly to work correctly, so copying and pasting a web page URL can save time. Next, enter a title for the link into the title text box. A title gives the visitor information about the location of the link, and it also assists users who may use text-to-speech technology. The title you assign will be displayed in a pop-up when the user hovers over the link. To create a link to a page or post within your site, note that you can click the Or Link to Existing Content option that appears at the bottom of the dialog box. This will display all of the content on your site at the bottom of the dialog box. You can scroll down the list or enter terms into the Search text box to locate the content to which you would like to link. Then click the content to use it as the destination URL. WordPress will then populate the URL and title fields based on the selection that you make. You can change the title if you like, but you must keep the URL intact. Now, if desired, you can check the Open Link in a New Window or Tab checkbox to open the destination URL in a new window or tab of the user's web browser. If unchecked, which it is by default, the destination URL will open within the same window that displays the link. The option you choose depends on your specific needs. You should consider the user's experience. If linking to an external web page, will the user be able to easily navigate back to your site, or would they become lost and not come back at all? If the link is to content within your own site, it would create a negative user experience to have each page open in a new window or tab. So when making your choice, always take into account your user's perspective and your website's goals. After making your selections, click the Add Link button within the Insert or Edit Link dialog box. You should then save your post or page by clicking the Update or Save Draft button. You can then click the View Post or View Page button and test the link to make sure that it works the way that you intended it to. Now, to remove a link, first select the text or image that has been turned into a link within the WordPress editor. Then simply click the Remove Link button in the Formatting toolbar to remove the link from the text.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.